guys, welcome to Vlogtober day 17. I can't believe we're getting so late into Vlogtober. I'm going to be in the 20s soon. I'm off to spin this morning, as you can see. I got up really easily again. I'm beginning to think that going to bed at midnight and getting up at 6:30ish is like my perfect timing, and I'm like, how is that possible? It doesn't feel like enough sleep. I'm actually kind of looking forward to it this morning. Nice to get it out of the way as well. I don't really have time to do pets this morning. It's nice to see you. Yeah? Silly boy. Come on then. You're gonna be lazy boy again. Look at you. Come on then. You can try. That looks dangerous. Oh, Schmitty. That was a close one. I know you're desperate for love. Excuse Zach's socks. Mickey likes to look out and observe from the highest point of the house, don't you, Mick? Yes, my name is Slick Mick and I'm a beautiful boy. That was quite a beautiful shot of you in the sunshine actually there. Can you go and sit up there again, please? Our train's been cancelled, which is not ideal. There is another one just 20 minutes after, and we're hoping that that one's going to be okay. It's currently delayed, so we'll see. We actually booked ourselves first class tickets. We're very bougie for this train. So I was really looking forward to sitting down, getting some drinks, some food, and so now I'm like, back sitting in the lounge for now. Got to see this. So we are obviously in Manchester now, you guys, and we have just been to Bangle for some lunch, which is a vegetarian Indian street food place, and it's really nice, quite close to the station. We've arrived in our hotel, which is Hotel Gotham, and it's got a very distinctive style. I will show you. We've got this fun wallpaper, which is kind of shimmery, and this zigzag patterned carpet. This is our bathroom. Nice big shower, nice mirror to get ready in, and then desk, super high ceilings, big windows, one Zach, and this is our bed. So there we go, Hotel Gotham. Let's look out the window, shall we? Looking pretty. Over there. This is a nice building that we're in as well. So that's that, you guys. So we're going to head out to the northern quarter now and have a little wander around Manchester. Maybe take some pictures, the usual stuff. I don't know what the plan is. we've had a bit of a mare because we got back into our room and put the kind of key card into the little holder thing. You know, you put the key card in and it's supposed to make all the electrics in the room work, so it's supposed to make the lights turn on and all of that kind of stuff. And it just wasn't working. And we're like, are we doing something wrong? And then Zach went to reception and this guy came with a ladder and was trying to sort it out for us. And I think it's just broken in there. So we've been moved to a whole new room, and it's lucky that we hadn't unpacked or anything. We could just kind of move all the stuff into a new room. We've got a much bigger bathroom, like a big bathroom. We had a really lovely time. What did we do? We went to lots of bars, various different bars. We went to Flight Club, which there's definitely a couple in London, I think. But we went to Flight Club and that was really good fun. Played some darts. We had some Chinese food. We just had a lovely time. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I don't know where my stuff is. 1 second. So seeing as the bathroom at home is not ideal, I will do my kind of night skincare routine for you guys. Now we're in this nice big bathroom with semi-decent lighting. Oh, you can see some of my new tattoos. I was supposed to show you some of those. I'm going to show you my new tattoos at some point. I mean, this bathroom's better lit than the bathroom at home, but it's not amazingly lit, so I'll show you them properly at a different time. Starting with jojoba oil, as always. This is just going to take my makeup off. Simple, easy stuff. It's cheap, easy to get a hold of, and it really does the job. My legs hurt so much from spin and the gym yesterday. The combination has just absolutely killed off my legs, like much more than usual. I feel like they hurt loads, which is never ideal when you're walking around and having a nice time. Then I usually go up on the clean up and use the quarterly micellar cleansing water. It's my favourite one. Just to make sure I've got all my makeup off, make sure all the oil's gone. Then I will use my Biologique Recherche Lotion P50. I use this pretty much every night. It's a good nighttime product because I feel like it does dry out my skin a little bit. So better to use it at night when I can use other stuff and I'm not putting makeup on top of it. I'll pop that all over. And then sometimes, not always, I put it on fairly recently just to get rid of some of my scarring. I'll use the Resurface by Shani Darden, the Retinol Reform. I'm not going to use it tonight, but yeah, I do use that fairly often. Probably like 2 or 3 times a week is a good amount for me. Try not to use too much product on my skin because it doesn't love it. And then I use my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturiser as my moisturiser on top. Get myself glowing. And then finally, on any spots or blemishes, this I get online. I don't know, I can't remember if I have to order it specifically. I can't remember, but anyway, it's the Acne Side 5% benzoyl peroxide gel. Give it a Google. I'm sure you'll be able to find it. I think I get it from some pharmacy website. But yeah, I love benzoyl peroxide for spots. So you can put it on whole areas where you're like breaking out. I think it does a great job. So that is it, you guys. That's me ready for bed. I think I'm just gonna go to sleep now. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Tomorrow we'll be heading home again. Another train journey to come. Probably gonna have just breakfast here, maybe take another couple of pictures around Manchester. But it's nice to be back. I haven't been to Manchester for ages, so it's good to be home. Not home, that's not my home. Zach, do you feel like this is your home?
Yeah.
No. It's nobody's home, but he did live here. It's nice to be back. I think Manchester's a cool city. And that's all I have to say about that. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you tomorrow for more VLOGTOBER. Bye.